if that seatbelt's gonna hold that motor that well.
Oh, it will.
Look on the way. We don't need them anymore. Go all the way fucking way. Out to the door.
This is going to be interesting.
Get her out of there, buddy. Hold on.
James, watch it.
I thought I was going to snap it right here, but it didn't.
Did you get that one bolt out?
Yeah, it didn't snap it where I wanted it to. I got a problem, people. Look at that pry bar. I'm bleeding. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Someone thought your fucking shit would have broken. It didn't.
Are you taking these seats out?
Cash,
Do whatever.
bring me up 15 Jeep.
Where'd all those cigarettes come from?
Those were in the car.
Oh,
I might take one of those.
don't try and smoke that.
What?
That's gross.
Will you give me money if I do it?
No.
I need
Would you laugh
cheaper.
if I did it?
Fucking right.
Alright, I'll do it. What?
He's gonna smoke one of those old cigarettes. Okay there, Ricky.
What, a Ricky Bobby?
No, Ricky. Trailer park. Fucking guy. Butt picking out of a Cavalier.
It's probably mine. I fucking changed close to that car when I tried to it. Ow, it bit me.
Probably. The windshield probably did, eh? It's got a moonroof. What?